catch me rolling through the city, riding with the top off. Man, my whip so big when you in it. Fuck around and get lost. Tell my bitch to let her head up. What the shit cost? Tell me, baby, if you found that life right now. Hope it ain't so. No, I could put you in the Mount Club. What's up? Let's take a trip. Have you ever read the world is yours on a blimp? Tell her be free, baby, spread your wings, get your legs in the sky like a plane. Let me guide that, I'm the pilot. Can't nobody see you 30,000 feet on your knees, and them products make the freaky shit come up out her. Get high, baby, roll one. Cloud nine, about to go up. Loving the feeling, the turbulence, girl, when we turn up. When we land, we can roll out. Show you something you ain't know about. Tonight we be taking off like with the camera to show out. I got you in the air, your body in the air. How I feel up here. You can scream as loud as you want, loud as you can. Ain't nobody gon' hear. Would you like it better if I hit the West Coast? Tell me if you found that life right now. Hope it ain't tall. I could put you in the Mount Club. What's up? Let's take a trip. Have you ever read the world is yours on a blimp? Tell her be free, baby, spread your wings, get your legs in the sky like a plane. Let me guide that, I'm the pilot. Can't nobody see you 30,000 feet on your knees, and them products make the freaky shit come up out her. Get high, baby, roll one. Cloud nine, about to go up. Loving the feeling.
You ready? Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, yo. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat or the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go. Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much.
Wow. Le shooter est vraiment très impressionnant. Malheureusement, arriver à tel résultat en autodidacte est quasiment impossible. C'est pour cela que nous avons créé la Switch Maker. Cet outil permettra aux novices de développer leur shoot à une vitesse folle, mais également aux confirmés de s'améliorer et d'effleurer la perfection. Le fonctionnement ainsi que l'utilisation de cette machine est extrêmement simple. Je vous explique ça, Fabien?
En effet, le Switchmaker a pour but d'améliorer votre shoot à partir de 3 paramètres. Tout d'abord la distance, qui sépare vous du panier. Ensuite la hauteur, qui sépare la balle du sol, ce qui dépend évidemment de votre taille. Et enfin Ymax, qui est le point culminant de votre coup. La machine améliore votre shoot, mais ne le change pas. Si vous avez une trajectoire courbée, tout en cloche, il le restera. La machine vous aide à trouver comment mieux shooter, mais en gardant une trajectoire naturelle. Ces données permettent de déduire, grâce à la tangente à la courbe, l'angle A souhaité et la vitesse en mètres par seconde. Ah, j'ai oublié comment ça marche. Pour commencer, il faut exécuter le programme en cliquant ici. Vous rentrez ensuite les 3 paramètres dont je vais vous parler tout à l'heure, qui sont la distance, la hauteur et Ymax. Vous pouvez maintenant accéder aux différentes fonctionnalités du programme. Vous pouvez avoir l'angle et la vitesse que vous pouvez adopter, connaître la valeur de l'angle du ballon à la LA, voir les graphiques du shoot à adopter pour être face à quelque chose de plus concret, et enfin, voir votre shoot ainsi qu'une comparaison avec le shoot parfait pour accéder à une correction ayant pour but de vous perfectionner. Je te passe.
Comme vous avez pu le constater, devenir un tireur hors pair n'est plus un inventin, mais est désormais à quelques pas. N'hésitez plus et téléchargez dès maintenant la Switchmaker en allant sur notre site internet qui s'affiche juste ici.
Now tell me who can stop me. I'm in the zone. Competition's none in the league of my own. All about the W. I'ma bring it home when it's over with. I'm the king of the throne. Now who can stop me? I'm in the zone. Competition's none in the league of my own. All about the W. I'ma bring it home when it's over with. I'ma be the king of the throne. I'm in the zone. I'm in the zone. The competition wet. Tell them let's get it on. My hustle getting crazy and I'ma finish strong. You threw up so many bricks, you probably could build a home. I don't care boy. This is what the grind make. Everybody want to shine, don't know what the shine take. Bad that I'm playing, call it sideline hate. It ain't over till it's over. Buzz will be the mind state. If I ain't in the zone, then what you call this? They ask me how I do it. I tell them all wrist. Why y'all miss? I could probably do a backflip, fade away, and still watch the ball switch. Camera flash when I step up to the podium. Haters looking salty, easy on the